Tired of juggling payment methods for all your streaming subscriptions? Well, let's simplify things by showing you how to use that Apple gift card to unlock all the Disney Plus content you crave. First things first, make sure your Apple gift card has sufficient funds to cover at least 1 month of Disney Plus, which will vary depending on the subscription plan you choose. We recommend checking how much your Disney Plus plan costs so there are no surprises. Next, you'll need to redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple ID. Open up the Apple App Store app on your iPhone or iPad. In the App Store, tap on your profile icon located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. On the account page, select the option labeled Redeem Gift Card or Code. You can either use your device's camera to scan the gift card or manually enter the code. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the redemption process. The gift card amount will be added to your Apple account balance. Now, open the Disney Plus app on your Apple device. If you don't already have a Disney Plus subscription, sign up for a new one. When prompted for payment, your Apple account balance should automatically appear as an available payment method. Select it and confirm your purchase. If you already have a Disney Plus subscription through Disney directly and want to switch to using your Apple ID balance, you'll need to cancel your existing subscription first. Then, when it expires, resubscribe through the Disney Plus app on your Apple device using your Apple ID balance. And that's it. You are now all set up to dive into the magical world of Disney Plus, all thanks to your Apple gift card. Happy streaming!